This is a fun kids learning activity. In this video, you will learn before and after numbers in a funny way. Let's start. There are 10 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First we'll go for number 1. 1. 1 after number 2 and 1 before number 0. Next we'll go to number 2. 2 after number 3 and 2 before number 1. Then number 3. 3 after number 4. 3 before number 2. Then number 4. 4 after number 5. 4 before number 3. Then number 5. 5 after number 6. 5 before number 4. Then we'll go to 6 number. 6 after number 7. 6 before number 5. Then number 7. 7 after number 8. 7 before number 6. Then we'll go number 8. Number 8 after 9. 8 before 7. Then number 9. 9 after 10. 9 before 8. Then last number 10. 10 after number 11. 10 before number 9.